Big breaking news coming in at this point in time. Iran's top leader Khamenei has now put out a post saying that it's a heavy slap to the face of US, and he's also threatened future actions against US bases in a post that he's made just very recently. This is his very first public post in over less than a week, we understand, ever since US had attacked the 3 nuclear bases in Iran. He said the Islamic Republic delivered a heavy slap to the US face. It has attacked and inflicted damage on the Al Udeid air base, which is one of the key US bases in the region. This is the post that has been put up by Al Khamenei. Remember, he's been absent and this comes while Iran has been facing its deadliest action in from Israel as well as US since some time from now, and we understand his at least week-long absence from public view had also triggered a lot of anxiety and had raised alarm. But we understand at this point in time, this is one post that he's made after over a week. At least it was the last post that that had come from Khamenei was on 18th June, we understand. And after almost a week, he is now spoken out and has made this public comments after a very long time, in which he said that he's claimed victory over Israel, and also said that we've delivered a heavy slap to the face of the US. All right, my colleague Deepthi also now joining us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Well, Deepthi, there have been a lot of questions being asked about Khamenei's absence, and we understand this is one post that he's made. This is the second post, I would rather say. One post was made almost 7 to 8 days back, but he's been absent for about a week, and clearly issuing a warning to the US and Israel here.
Oh yes, and Kitty, this tells us that nothing has changed. He also does say that surrender is a word that does not belong in my dictionary. He says the people of Iran will rise, they will respond to this aggression by the US. So you see absolutely no change in the tone and tenor of this man, who happens to be the supreme leader of Iran right now. And interesting is this timing. You know, he has surfaced, he has spoken. But where is he? No one still knows that. We do know that he's in a largely fortified bunker. His location still remains unknown. Is he in the best of health? Again, these are questions that are still being asked. In the last few hours, Kitty, why has he spoken now is a question again people are asking, because the timing is critical. There have been multiple reports, not just in the US media, but even the Iranian media had started to ask these questions that where is he? Largely, people have been on the streets. They want to know about the whereabouts of the supreme leader, about whether he's in the best of the health or not. Is he still in charge? And what are we going to do? These are questions that have been discussed in Tehran and everywhere else. And that is why I think the timing of this video address also, not just what he's posting on the social media, but also the video that has been released earlier today, it is not dated. The last video of Ayatollah was the 18th of June. And if you look at the two frames, you will see him almost sitting in the same backdrop. You look at his body language, it doesn't give out much. So still we do not know that when was this video recorded, why has it been released now, what is the next step that Iran will take. He says that we will attack the US. The US should be ready for more attacks in case you continue your aggression. Donald Trump, on the other side, maintains that we have hit Iran hard. They will never be able to restart their nuke programs.
Right.
But again, he punches hole in that theory, and he said that the US attack, Kitty, achieved absolutely nothing.